up, y'all? Welcome to Nicole Too Blunt. You hear me? I'm Nicole, and this is one of the first videos on my channel. I wanted to be very special. Alright, y'all, let me get y'all a rundown on this. I'm gonna do a room tour today. Y'all know from the title. So if you're interested, keep watching. Face ass. So y'all, let me get y'all the rundown real quick before we start. This was hard for me. This was real hard because I had no clue what route I was gonna take. So many take backs, so many trips to the store, so much money being spent just to get it to perfection. I wasn't going to stop till I was satisfied. And anybody that know me knows that I'm an overachiever, okay? Or extra, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so, y'all, so let's get into it. Okay, where should we start? I guess we'll start over here. Okay, so guys, you are the fairest of them all. Don't let nobody tell you different. That picture, and this one all came from a third party on Walmart. All of them like $60 a pop. Well, no more than $60, like $50, $60. I like those. I was going to take them back, but it was like, you know what? I might as well keep it. There, I got that from HomeGoods. There, I got that from Ross. Those some books. I didn't make those. I could have if I wanted to. But I was being lazy. I just wanted them ASAP on GP. So I bought them from a girl in Jacksonville for a really good price. I spray painted those. They were silver at first. Just spray painted that. Y'all, I really love these. I actually made these myself. I handcrafted these. It was a wood box from Michael's for like $1 and some change. I just simply bought some silver glittery cardstock, covered it in that, took $1 ribbon, and while I was at Michael's, I picked up these letters, probably 2 packs, just so it'd be enough. If you look close, it's some words written in them. I bought 2 packs just so it'd be enough. That turned out pretty okay. These boxes, I got those from Walmart. They were wood boxes, $10 each. Of course, I had to sprinkle a little paint and a little glitter to get the job done. As y'all can see right here, y'all, I got tired, y'all. I ain't even painted. I just threw the glitter up there. Horrible job. That's my table. A friend bought me that table because I had it going and it got broke. That's a long story, y'all. This here, it was a plain stool, wood legs. Got this from AtHome for $40. I just kind of added one of those little adhesive thingies. And y'all know, I told y'all earlier that I'm an overachiever. So, I just had to cover the wood legs and cardstock as well. Because it just wasn't doing it for me, you know? Like, I just needed something a little more. Okay, I made that and that. I painted it gold, or spray painted it gold, added some bling on the roll. That's that. Let me step back. That butterfly up top, Kirkland's, $40. This picture has like a little shimmer shine. Got those two from TJ Maxx for $17 a pop. If you look closer at this little, I love this, y'all. I got, that was out there. It was probably like maybe $50, $60, $70. I don't know. And I kind of just threw this table together. Got these two from Burlington. Got these two from Burlington. HomeGoods. I actually made those little cup holders, guys. Well, they're not cup holders, they're coasters. I'm sorry. I just spray painted them, threw a little bling on the roll on them. Got this from AtHome. Of course, I spray painted it. And this didn't come with the bed set. I had to purchase this separately from HomeGoods. It cost me a good $300, but it's okay because it's the details for me, y'all. I got storage. Y'all, everything is filled. It even got glass along the side. So, it was worth it. It was worth, in my opinion, it was worth it. This was one of my first floor mirrors that I got in here. I didn't know what else to do with it. I didn't want to get rid of it, so I just kind of tucked it behind the TV. I can always like whip it out when necessary, when need to. Okay, y'all, this is my little, those same letters. Y'all gonna get tired of them letters around my room. But I had to put them $15 to good use for them 2 packs of stickers. You hear me? I don't have any coins, so I just replaced them with blunts. It's all good. It's my little ass TV. Shouts out to the laptop screen. Purchased this little thing here. I actually don't know how to set it, so it's just there for good looks. This here, of course, it has a crown. Same numbers and letters, guys. And I actually added like a little glitter to those, just cause I was extra. A little ashtray. I hate this lamp. I really do. But I'm gonna get a replacement soon. I'm just waiting for the right one to pop up. Guys, I need something to put in that area right there. So leave me some suggestions down in the comments below on what you think would look good right there in that area. I tried a few things, but it wasn't right. That's why you see like the nail is still there. Okay, now let's move on to the bed. Okay, let me back up, y'all. I bought those letters from AtHome. They had every letter except for the I. I had to spray paint all of them because it was metal. Still searching for the I. No luck. Butterflies. Those was like $22 a piece. I got those from Kirkland's. High ass Kirkland's. This is the details of my bed. Okay, here are some pillow choices. Camera doesn't do this any justice, but this is a great pillow. I got 2 of those. They were $20 a pop. These here, I like the shimmy goldness. I got that for $10 at Walmart. Those cases that came with the bed. Well, with the bed spread. I ordered this cover from Amazon for like $10. Y'all, I love this pillow. It's the fringe for me. Well, it did cost me $20, but it's okay. It's cool. It's a little pillow that I try to bedazzle out. Overkill, y'all. Overkill. But it's okay because I can always turn on that sound. So, these were the knobs that I was thinking about getting. I have to test them out. Pretty cheap. Those wasn't the ones I wanted, but those the ones that my wallet desired. So, just got my little thing in the middle of the bed. These actually light up. Let me see. Can y'all see it? It light up. $1. You heard me. Got my little remote, little snack, little ashtray, lip gloss, because them lips gotta stay popping. They gotta stay cool. Look at this. I like this. Those two, this is separate. These two are actually in book holders or something. Yeah, it's book holders practically. And I kind of just put that there in the middle. Let's move over here to my side table. I got that from Ross. I know how they have stuff sitting in the middle of the floor. I'm still waiting. I still got to get some pictures, y'all. I still got to get some pictures printed out. A few of them. If you look close. This pussy out Givenchy, Prada, YSL, Chanel. Okay, I got that from Amazon. Somewhere on Amazon. I got 2 of them. It's the curtains for me. It's the details for me. If it don't shimmer, I don't want it. It's the lamp. Absolutely love this lamp. Full lamp. Got that lamp from HomeGoods. Got that picture from Burlington. That flower. And that flower. I think I got that from AtHome. They came white. I had to paint them. And of course, little old me had to go get the diamond shaped curtain rods. Let me see. Okay. This is my case. Let me see. Let me get a good angle for y'all. I actually got that from American Signature Furniture for $300. This is the pillow that came with it. It's 2-sided. And I bought this baby here. If you look close, she has shimmer. Okay. My rug. If you look close, it has shimmer. There's some stuff I put on the carpet. Just like little stuff. I have another one of those. You see that clock? I actually got that clock for my birthday from my sister. I told her I wanted it from Society 6. She got it while it was on sale. Just a few things that I have on my dresser. Fake fur. Got this poodle on the dresser. A little scratched out on the dresser. This is a little bit of my perfume collection. Marc Jacobs, Jimmy Choo. Shots out at Nicki Minaj. Motherfucking Queen Sleeves. Different types of Versace's. Coach. Lacoste. Juicy Couture. And these are this is my dresser. It's pretty big, y'all. And full of stock. Let's see. Stuff is everywhere. You feel me? I'm running out of room. Okay, it can never be royal. Something I threw together. That is actually a jewelry box. Let's see. Ain't no jewelry in it. This brand spanking new. Had it for a couple months. Still didn't get no picture to go in. But it's all good though. I got this from AtHome for $10. And I kind of hot glued that brooch there. Ain't nothing in here. I gotta separate all my stuff, y'all. It's actually under the dresser. Let me see. Y'all can't see it, but I got stuff tucked everywhere. Okay, guys. So, that was it for the room. I guess I'll show y'all my closet, I guess. It ain't nothing, so. Just shoes on shoes on shoes. Tucked in the corner. Everywhere. Clothes on clothes on clothes. Clothes on clothes on clothes. I need to clean this out. Okay. And I guess we can do the bathroom. Because it's just a quick little 1-2. Few things I hung up. Yada, yada, yada. There go them butterflies again. That girl got a thing for them butterflies. That girl got a thing for them butterflies. Mariah Carey gonna get me. And Mariah, she's gonna get me. If you look close, those are shimmer, shimmer, shimmer. These are just like a few room sprays that I like to pick up from anywhere. Walmart, TJ Maxx, Burlington, anywhere. These are some soaps. Gotta have an antibacterial. Some lotions, whatnot. These are the towels just for display. So if you ever come over my house, you need something to wipe your hands with, don't use my motherfucking towels with your... That's disrespectful. It's the disrespect for me. Okay, y'all. Show y'all my little butterflies. Yeah, Mariah Carey's gonna beat my ass. Clock. That area. Okay, baby. I just want you to try and stop me, boo. Bitch, please. Because guess what? If you don't take no risks, you won't end up with no hoe, no Margie. Last but not least, baby, live your story. Okay? Don't live nobody else's motherfucking story but your own, boo. All that faking and flogging. I spray painted those rocks from the dollar store. Nothing major. Got this table from AtHome. Rugs. You see the rugs. It's the details of the rugs for me. Yes, honey. Yes, honey. Yes. Okay, I gotta show y'all one more thing. I made this in them same letters. Scrub it up, boo. And put that in there. Yum. A little dollar thingy. Been had that. Little candle. Little soap bar. Nothing major. You feel me? Alright, y'all. So, you ain't gotta go, but you gotta get the fuck away from me. Okay? Just leave. I don't want to see your face no more. But before you go, just hit that subscribe button if you like what you seen. Give it me. Y'all, there's more to come. Okay? Make sure y'all go check out my other videos. And I will catch y'all next time. Toodles, bitches.